I'd really love to ask, is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's own belief. One love. What about a one arm? One heart. What about let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning. One love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon.